You guys, Mike Dom 91 here with 3 teams, 1 box break of 11-12 SPX box right here, guys. Got all 30 buyers lined up over here. Last team that was sold was to Claude. I don't know why the name's not showing up, but I'll show you that it was Claude who bought it, and it was paid for today. So I mean, that's the second spot. There, right at the bottom there. Sorry guys, I don't know why it didn't work. When you click on it, it just doesn't show anything. Kind of weird. It says 8 remaining just because we had the second chance here, but it's all full. So we have all 30 spots sold here. HBR 427 took a bunch. I think he had like 3 teams, so like 12 spots. Google had 6, Claude had 6, Shane had 3, and Justin Lamb had 3. So guys, same routine. We're going to randomize 3 times. After the third time, I'm going to copy and paste it to my spreadsheet with all the 30 NHL teams in order, and we'll break the box. And your hits will go accordingly to whatever happened on the spreadsheet. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Alright guys, I'll just show you that it was 3 times there. So on the bottom, you randomize the list 3 times. So I can already tell that Claude 9509 has Winnipeg and Washington, and Shane is Anaheim. Okay, Shane, Anaheim, HBR, Boston, Buffalo, and Calgary. Justin Lamb, Carolina, HBR, Chicago, Colorado. Claude, Columbus. Dallas, HBR, Detroit, HBR, Google, Edmonton, Florida, and LA. HBR, Minnesota. Justin Lamb, Montreal, Nashville, HBR. New Jersey, Google, New York Islanders, Claude, HBR. New York Rangers, Shane, Ottawa, Philly, Claude. Phoenix, Google. Pittsburgh, Shane, Justin Lamb, San Jose, St. Louis, HBR, Tampa Bay, Claude, Toronto, Google, Vancouver, HBR, Washington, Claude, Winnipeg, Claude. Alright guys, we got everything locked down there. It's currently 9:40 p.m. Pacific Standard Time here in Vancouver. I'll get this shit out of here. And my laptop as well. And we'll get this break done. Okay. So a nice hit in this one. I haven't gotten a Nuge and a pull yet. Not even in my personal case. That's not how I got the Nuge. Guess I'll show the serial number. Nine 5725169. Look at that. And we'll start off with the ice pack, my personal favorite. Logan Couture, Henrik Zetterberg, on Pecorine, Steve Mason, and a very nice one of Brett Connolly. I don't know why that's not out of 99. Connolly's a stud. Nice hit for Tampa. Very nice hit. That's probably the best out of 49 that you can get. Pavlik, Fleury, Decoy, Derek Roy, Brizaster, the All-Star, Pecorine, Decoy, base, Bacchus, Step On, Decoy, base. You never can get tired of base in SPX because every pack's a base. And finally a hit. Winning materials, Jimmy Howard, 1 color, 2 jersey, dual jersey. Mikko Koivu, Ryan Miller. Let's hope that this SPX jersey is going to be nice. The rookie jersey. I think last time, most of the kid in base, nice. We got an SPX rookie spectrum of Brendan Smith of the Detroit Red Wings. That was a pretty nice hit. Base. So probably not going to see a spectrum in this box, since after 3 cases I've only seen 1, and that was, I think, last night that we did that. Pretty sure it was last night. Base. Nice. Beautiful. Almost missed that. Looked like a base card, but how can you miss with that thickness? It's Henrik Lundqvist Spectrum. So I guess there was a Spectrum, just not the one we're looking for. This is, however, a really nice card. It is 3 colors. Blue's right at the corner. Really small, but there's still 3 colors. Beautiful hit for the Rangers, who have just been cleaning up in this case. You pick up the Rangers, and you're pretty much guaranteed to do well in this case. And usually, when any box break, wow, that's nice. Kyle, though, has probably the nicest one I've seen. Spectrum patches. He's got a 4 or 5 color Shea Weber with like 10 breaks. Pulled that in the SPX case break. That was nice. For the Anaheim Ducks, this goes to Shane of Pat Maroon. I don't know why I got Ryan out of that. Out of 499 rookie. And Danny clutch in the playoffs per year. Stahl, Big Z, Decoy, Bobby Ryan, Mike Green. We'd like to see a Nuge. Base. Oh, very nice. So it's Team Canada, Braden Shen, and Jared Cowan. So Ottawa and Philly. We're going to say Philly because that's the team he plays for now and when the product was released. Both playing for Team Canada there, so Ottawa and Philly will do that randomization on my laptop right after this break. And I put the hit where the bases go. Got about 3 packs left. Still to see the rookie jersey card, which is guaranteed 1 per box, so they don't send it. If it's not in this box, I can definitely show over a nice complaint. Base, rookie of Carson McMillan, Minnesota Wild. Tavares. About 3 packs left. There's a hit in this one. Let's take a quick look. Another Rangers card. Base. And a Tim Erickson. Guys, I'm telling you, the Rangers clean up all the time. It's ridiculous. Tim Erickson SPX rookie jersey. Beautiful. Base. And your rookie materials of Minnesota, Brett Bulmer. Wow. So, Minnesota's got 2 hits in this one box. It's pretty impressive, considering Minnesota doesn't usually get hits. And there's going to be another hit in this one as well. It's a Mary Lemieux Legends of Hockey out of 499 for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Beautiful little decoy there. And Jerome Ginland. Steven Stamkos base. We'll do a quick recap of all the hits. And then we'll do the randomization for that Team Canada card. So I guess we'll start off with the ice card. Brett Connolly ice for the Tampa Bay Lightning. That was a pretty nice hit. Let's get this box out of here. Mary Lemieux for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Legends of Hockey. Brett Bulmer, Minnesota Wild, rookie jersey. I don't really know the difference between rookie materials and rookie jersey. All I know is that rookie jerseys are numbered out of 799, while rookie materials aren't even numbered. Tim Erickson autographed rookie. out of 799. Carson McMillan, rookie. The card that we need to randomize still of Jared Cowan and Braden Shen, Ottawa and Philadelphia. And that is 2 colors, of course. Pat Maroon for the Anaheim Ducks, rookie. This beautiful, sick-looking patch spectrum, 3 colors for the New York Rangers. Lundqvist, number 12 out of 15. And Jimmy Howard, winning materials, 2 colors. Alright, so I'll grab my laptop. And we'll head over to random.org. This is between Ottawa and Philly. Randomize 3 times. Team on top gets it. 1, 2, last one. Good luck, guys. Ottawa. And Ottawa belonged to Shane. So congrats to Shane. That beautiful looking card is yours. And that pretty much wraps up the break, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, we've got a bunch to get listed soon on eBay. They've got half a case still. SB Authentic, June 5th. That was what the release date was about a week ago. Unless they changed it on me, which I still wouldn't be surprised if that happened. What else? We got Ultimate on the 25th of June, or so Upper Deck says. And the Cup after that, but that's not for a while. Ultimate and SP Authentic are both on eBay pre-selling. Don't forget to grab a team. It's a good way to get them before they're out. And we'll do the break on pawn day of release or day after, depending on a few variables, such as if our local card store even has it on that day, or if the payments still haven't been made. Alright guys, take care. Hope you enjoy the break. Cheers.